Hi, this is Devin from Vive Health. Now here we have a standard size toilet. Here we have an elongated, and installed on each underneath the seat and lid are our Vive hinged toilet seat risers. Now for a standard size toilet, as you can see from the shape of the seat, the bowl itself is a bit shallower and more of a rounded shape as compared to an elongated. Elongated has a deeper bowl and a bit more of a point on the end here. This will also correspond, like I said, to a shallower bowl. So if we measure from the inside rear edge to the inside front edge of the bowl, that comes right to 12 inches on a standard size toilet. On the elongated, measuring from that same spot, it comes to 15 inches. So with 3 inches in depth difference, it's important to measure the toilet before purchasing to find out which riser will fit best on your toilet. Now, regardless of whichever model works best for your toilet, whether it's the standard or the elongated, you're still going to get the same features, the same benefits out of the riser. Now, just like the lid and toilet seat, the riser itself is also hinged. It'll come up and beyond 90 degrees, so you can clean underneath it. You can clean the toilet very easily. It's also very easy to install. It can be installed in just a few minutes without any trouble. Now, each riser will give you 3.5 inches of added height onto the toilet seat. That 3.5 inches is perfect for helping anyone recovering from knee, hip, or back surgery, or just anyone who has limited mobility. The most important thing now to keep in mind before you select which model is measuring the toilet. Measure from the inside edge of the bowl from front to back. The elongated will measure 15 inches from front to back, and the standard model will measure from 12 inches front to back. That way, you'll be able to get the right model that'll fit your toilet and work for you.